guys, we are a couple days in, first month of all this disarray. Hold on one second. Elisa speaking. Yeah, 2 o'clock is fine. All right, I'll see you soon. Yes. So I've been on the phone all day just to make sure my insurance inspector is coming out, and today is the day. When I tell you, make sure you have business insurance, because that is one of the most best important things that you can do for a business owner. Big business, small business, keep that protection just to protect yourself in a situation just like this. So today's the day that the insurance inspector is coming out. What they do is they come out and inspect the damages and they report back to the insurance company. So yes, I did have insurance, thankfully. It's been a process dealing with my insurance company and dealing with the building insurance company. So it's not something that say, oh, okay, at least you got insurance, everything's gonna work out. It is a process. So it is about to be a holiday coming up. It's about to be New Year's. So some of the clients are still on the books. So I have to send out emails. I do personal phone calls just to let clients know what's going on. So I am in a process right now of trying to find a temporary location for some of my team members because they do have clients still on the books. I did post an ad on social media and I got a couple of people that reached out to me. So I'm going to check out a couple locations today after I meet with the inspector. So sometimes people think that because you have insurance that you can go ahead and start back and rebuilding right away. But with this situation, it's all a process. The first thing that they have to do is basically with the mitigation company, they have to get everything out of there. All the water, all the damages to the building, they have to get that all out of there. Even my equipment, anything that's been damaged, they have to get that all out of there. And when I told you it was a lot of mold. So that is the second thing that they do. With the mold, they treat the mold. And that's not something they do for a couple of days. They do this constantly for a couple of months. And that's just to ensure that the mold does not come back. So that was one of the situations that had the time frame waiting for a long period of time because they had to treat the mold to make sure it was safe enough for the people to come back into the building. Another thing that they have to do is they have to bring in engineers. And what the engineers do is just to make sure that the building is in a good structure to rebuild. Because when you got water, there can be structural damages to the building. After that, we go ahead and we start rebuilding. So it's all a process, especially when it comes to, hey, I'm gonna open back the salon right away. And it's not like that, it's a process. So as you know, we're in month 1 of everything that's going on. I'm doing as much as I can to accommodate with the timeline and deal with everything that is going on and find the necessary resources for the rest of my team. So it is a process.
You want to take that and put it in my car? Or you want to take it in? I mean, I can be done. I'll come back tomorrow.
Okay, is the mitigation company there yet? All right. Oh, so I'll be there around about 2 o'clock. Okay, so who's all there? Okay. All right, I'll bring that with me when I come down there. Thank you. So today is a busy day. Going through some of the items that I have in the salon just to see what's working. I have to find another storage company around the area just to put some of the things that are in workable condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that too. And so, yeah, it's a lot going on. I'm feeling good. I'm just trying to get everything in order because it's a chaos right now because we're in the first month of the situation. And just, I think it's 2 salon chairs that's in there. Throw them away. And then keep that one right there. I want that one. Keep that.
Alright, I got you.
Okay, cool.
Oh, so you said that one trash?
Yep, that one over there trash. You can throw it away.
Alright, so,
Okay, cool.
and that washing bowl trash?
Let me see. I need to keep like one thing just. This situation just happened, so I am working like crazy. I'm still busy, still answering the phone, still talking to clients, trying to get everybody situated, and it is a lot going on, but it'll be all right. Ooh, see? Thanks for calling MORAEE. Oh, no worries, no worries. I'm gonna send out an email shortly with the new location. Yeah, it's just a temporary location for the team. All right, no problem. Thanks for your call. So everybody's confused. Everybody's like, what's going on? What do I need to do? Because it's about to be a holiday coming up in a couple of days and clients are still on the book. So I got to make sure everybody's accommodated as much as I can. I'm excited. I know it's a lot going on, but that is the process of being a business owner. Can't stop, won't stop. And I cannot wait to show you guys what I have in store for the new salon. Thank you all for being a part of my salon renovation journey. I've been reporting like crazy just to kind of show you guys behind the scenes, the frustration, everything that's going on with the salon. I know we'll be open probably within the next couple months, and I cannot wait to see you guys. Let me go ahead and get back and get on these phone calls just to make sure everybody is on task. I'll see you soon.